What's up, guys? We're going to start off today's episode by taking Miss Stella for a vet appointment. It's just a checkup. She don't have anything wrong with her, but you gotta get her checked out, don't we? And she don't like car rides. And the contractors are here, continuing. I think they're putting the tin on the other side of the roof now, and I'm not sure. They're supposed to have the tin for the outside. They might start covering it today. So we'll show you more of that as the day goes on, but I've got to get this thing in there. You got to go in there. In there. Go. Just walk in it, and I won't have to worry about it.
Hi, little girl. It's time. It's time. We gotta put you in the crate. You alright with that? Come on. Go ahead. Go in there. There you go. Get your little tail in there. Alright. We're going on a road trip. I'm stealing your sister. We gotta go, Stu. You wanna go along? Hey, you wanna go along? No?
He's like, where are you taking my sister?
Are you worried about her? You worried about your sister? We don't like car rides, do we, Stella? Huh? No, we don't. These house cats, they never get out.
We made it on time. You're gonna have to turn your head and cough. Okay?
It'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be all right.
She's like, where can I escape from this place? I need to make a run for it. She's so quick.
Well, unfortunately, we got a nice healthy cat. What do you think? Huh? No comment. She wanted to get away the whole time. She was trying to run from me. The boys are up there at it. Look at that. It looks like I added a huge addition to my house. I added a house to my house. Oh, I see a glimpse of the dirt bike, Gary. Oh, you see it? What? You want to go in? You've had enough. You want to go? Huh? You want to go in the house? Huh? She said, "Take me home."
Well, guys, I've been considering this for a little bit since we've been starting the garage and everything. And it's not because I need to, but I just feel better doing this. I'm going to look up what I owe on the Veloster, and I believe I'm going to list it up for sale. I just don't drive it that much, and it just makes sense to me to sell it so that I don't have that payment. It'll free up a lot of money. You know, it makes sense to me. Like I said, it's not because I need to, but it sits for a long period of time. And if I don't have that vehicle, then I can drive some of the vehicles that I get, you know what I mean? Like, and actually fix some vehicles up and do other things. I'm not saying I'm gonna sell it and buy another vehicle, but I feel like it makes sense. So let me look up what I owe on it and what it's worth and stuff, and see if it makes any sense. So and if any of you guys are local, my Veloster is like mint. There's like no marks on the thing, and it's got very low miles. 16, I think I got 17,000 miles on it because I don't drive it that much. So yeah, let me go look this up. So it looks like we're in a good position if I decided to sell it. Actually, they offered, the dealership sent me a thing for trading it in, and I actually was in the positive if I would have traded it in. So I think I'm going to list it up for sale. I don't really have a reason to keep a hold of it, to be honest with you. I do like the car, but I like a lot of cars. So yeah, I just feel like that's the right thing to do. So if you guys are interested, let me look up and see what retail is on things. So after looking it up, considering the market and stuff, I have it priced a little higher, but I have it or best offer. I have it listed at $14,800. The car, like, you've seen it. It's pretty much immaculate. There's not a dent or a mark on the car. I don't drive it that much, so I mean, but yeah, it's very clean car. Still has a warranty. It's, you know, it's well taken care of. It's always serviced, and it's mostly stock. So 14.8 or best offer. I feel like that's a good deal for somebody that's looking for one. But I don't know if anybody's looking for one. But it's on the market now. I threw it up. If you're local and you're interested, get a hold of me, and we can set that up. This is not really like, it's not something I want to do, but I don't see. Like, I don't feel like this is a bad idea either. I feel like this is a good idea so that I can free up some funds and so I can get more projects so you guys have something to see. But we have enough vehicles as it is, but yeah, my wife was worried about, well, what are you going to drive? Well, we have the Kia, we have the Camaro, we have the Silverado. The Eclipse is in my name, so we have the Eclipse, but I don't think that's going to be something I daily drive. But if I do sell it, I'll just probably be on the lookout for something that, you know, I can drive for a little while and enjoy. So, but if you're interested, get a hold of me on Facebook. Probably that would be your best bet, and we can, you know, set something up. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You come out and see everybody? Come here. Get myself changed because I procrastinated enough today and the Trailblazer is not finishing itself. So I'm going to go get the Trailblazer and we're going to try to finish that up. And another thing, Dad called me. He was out at Jerry's and he's painting the door today. So it'll be ready tomorrow. So I might just take the Trailblazer through Mexico and put it on out there. They're very simple to put on, so it's not a big deal. And then I can just drop off the door there too while I'm there. So yeah, we might do that tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm headed to get the Trailblazer. Work getting done. The roof is completely finished. All the walls are on. They're just doing some finishing touches. It'll be ready for the siding, the sheet metal siding. It'll be ready for that on Monday. And it'll be done shortly after that. This is awesome.
We're just a product of messed up, misunderstood. And just because
now purring like a kitten. Exhaust is quiet. And for you haters, the steering wheel is in perfect condition. I don't know if you can see this. I'll have to get it in the daytime. We'll see it tomorrow. There's nothing wrong with the steering wheel. It just had a cover on it. So you can now sleep tonight. You can be happy. It's pretty dark in Mexico right now. Tell you what, man, these things run. They run good. Now, as we square off here at the end of the video, I just wanted to show you the whole structure. Every wall is put in, all of the furring strips, everything. It looks big now. After I got everything up, I thought, I wish I would have did this different, but until I seen it up, I didn't really know the different, like how I was gonna do this. But if I would do this over again, the upstairs would be over here, so the support beams would be straight ahead, but I'd be able to pull a car on each side, and the lift would have went in there in the corner. So I could have worked over there, and it would have just gave me more working space. But I still have the same amount of space. It's just going to be awkward bringing a car in here, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? You make mistakes. I don't really see it as a mistake. I just feel like it would have been a lot easier to, you know, move my cars around, but no big deal. Whatever. I can't remember if I locked this last night. I want to show you the steering wheel since it's daytime. Yeah, I locked it. You can see it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the steering wheel. My gimbal's shaking. Quit shaking, gimbal. It must be cold. It's cold outside. my gimbal's shaking because it's cold outside. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. Sorry we didn't get a lot done. It's just, I got a lot of things going on. So, I need to start filming my next video. I'm going to take the Veloster to the dealership and we'll see what they offer. I'm not going to take it. I'll just tell you that right now. I'm not going to take their offer. I'm going to come home in it. But their dealership is huge. There's so many cars there, and their used lot is normally pretty cool. Has some really nice cars. They have some high-end cars there too. So I'll get some footage of that. So anyway, if you like this, go check out some other videos. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Pizza!